How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch back to your personal account on Instagram. If you have previously switched to professional or creator accounts and now you want to switch back to your personal account on Instagram, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this interface of Instagram. Here at the bottom right corner, you will find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon to access your profile page. And once you reach to your profile page, on the top right corner, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines to go to a new page. You will be directed to the settings section. Here, once you reach to this page, scroll down until you find this professional section. And under professional section, you will locate creator tools and controls option. You just simply have to tap on this option and then you will be taken to a new page. Here at the bottom, you will find switch account type option just below monetization status option. Once you locate this option, tap on it, and then at the bottom, you will find 2 different options. On the second line, you will find switch to personal account option. Now go ahead and tap on this option and wait for a while. A dialog box will appear on your screen asking you if you are really sure to switch your account to personal account. Along with it, you will also get some information about what happens when you switch back to your personal account. Go through it, and if you are okay with that, then tap on switch to personal account option right here. Wait for a while, and then you will see you have successfully switched your account back to personal account. So that's how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.